Injalo ayijiki uma isinje. Good shot. I'm taking a swim just now. Right. Bengithini konje. Asike sikhulume ngalento yenhlanhla yendalo. Right? Okay. Sometimes I forget about my American friends. Good morning, my American friends. I forget about you sometimes. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I want to talk about natural luck actually. Natural luck. NgesiZulu sithi Inhlanhla yendalo. All right. So many people, what usually happens is they'll be lucky or they'll do things, they'll go through their best life. Then they'll hit a midlife crisis, right? Midlife crisis. And then people start thinking, all right, I might need a booster here, a booster there, right? Angibeke ngesiZulu. Umuntu izinto zifike zikhanye ebese kufika isikhathi la kuvaleka khona izinto zakhe. Ebese abone ngathi yazi ukuthini, ake ngihambe ngiyothola into ukuze izinto zami zikhanye. All right. Two different entities, dark and light. Ubumnyama nokukhanya akufani. One needs a sacrifice, continuous sacrifice. One needs you to lose your morals. One needs you to do this and that and that and this. One doesn't need that at all. The other one needs you to do things the natural way. And that is where many people go missing or get lost because they don't know the natural way. It is what it is. Kulungileke. Asibeke ngesiZulu. Into yendalo ilungiswa ngendalo. Hayi into ekhandiwe ngafa. Ngingathatha iglass ngiyiphihlise phansi. Ngiyiphihlise phansi. Uyangizwa ngithini? Mangiyiphihlisa phansi leyo glass noma leyo vase noma yini. Uma sengiyilungisile isefana? Ayifana ngithi. Good shot. Okusho ukuthini? Into elungisiwe ayisoze yafana no-original. Where's my bell? Okusho ukuthini? Into elungisiwe is a fabrication of what is. Interesting, ne? What was never there will never be the same with what is or what was always there. Hey, yabona nje bameyoda emhlophe bele ngiyigunde. Yeah. Kancane nizovuka emaqandeni. Ukuvuka nizovuka impela. Yeah. So the more you attack umuntu ohamba ngokukhanya is the stronger they get. Ayangivale.